Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hismatul Hafidzah from English Teaching Media Development Class C. So, today I would like to speak about stationery using flashcards. So, before we go into the flashcards discussion, I would like to tell you about what is the definition of stationery itself. Stationery is a mass from referring to commercially manufactured writing materials, including cut paper, envelopes, writing implements, continues from paper, and other office supplies. Stationery includes materials to be written on by hand, example, letter paper, or by equipment such as computer printers. Originally, the term stationery referred to all products sold by stationers, whose name indicates that his bookshop was on a fixed spot. This was usually somewhere near a university and permanent, while medieval trading was mainly carried on by itinerant peddlers, including chapmen who sold books, and others such as farmers and craftsmen, at markets and fairs. So that was stationery. So we would like to tell you about stationery using flashcards. So the first one I got eraser. So the function of eraser is to erase when wrong in using a pencil. Okay, next we got scissors. So the function of scissors is to cut paper and shape it as we want. Okay, next we have book. Okay, the function of book is to read the writings and study it in whatever on the book is. So next we have crayons. Crayons is to color or drawing in the bold way. Next we have pencils. So the function of pencil is to write the parts we want. And next we have pencil sharpener. Could you see? Pencil sharpener. So the function of pencil sharpener is to form a pencil to make it sharper and usable. Next we have glue. Okay, the function of glue is to attach paper to one to another. It means that you can combine it from one paper to another paper. Make it once. Okay, next is color pencils. Okay, the function of color pencils is for lightly graded coloring of the image. So it have the same function with crayons, but it's different because crayon is used in the bold way when you're drawing. But color pencils, it's using for you just can lightly grade it for coloring when you draw. Okay, next we have backpack. So the function of backpack is to help us carry objects so that they are not difficult to grasp in both hands. So you could make your things, your books, and etc. that you have to bring it to somewhere, to school, etc. You not only bring it with your hands, but you can easily bring those things with your backpack. It's kind of easy way to use it. Next we have pen. Pen is the function of pen is to help us write something with ink. So the difference between pencil and pen is pencil, we have to sharpen it so we can use it. But different with pen, we have to fill the ink into the pen so we can use it. So that's the difference. Because pen is using an ink, but pencil is you have to sharpen first. Okay, next we have paperclip. Paperclip. So the function of paperclip is to help us make paper neat and not messy. It means we can make our paper. It's being how I can make an example like this. So I'm not using a paperclip, but it has the same function. So it has so the paper it's not messed to every place. You can make it being one like this. Okay, next we have marker. Marker. The function of marker is to write everything in bold. So there is pencil, pen, and marker. So what is the difference between them? So marker is usually used in whiteboard or something like you kind of use it for something you have to use that you really bold on it, something like that. And next we have ruler. So what is the function of this? So the function is to help us outlining things neatly. So you can outlining so neat, not messy. Okay. Next we have water bottle. Water bottle. So the function of water bottle is to help us bring our drinking practically. So you don't have to bring your glasses into your school. You don't have to bring glass to your classroom. You just need to bring a water bottle and fill it with your drink. So it's easy you to bring it to school or somewhere. Okay, we have chair. Chair. So you already know what chair's function is to sit on it. Okay, so next we have desk. Desk. Okay, the function of desk is to make us comfortable doing everything while sitting. And it's like a kind of pair with chairs. So you have a chair, you have a desk, something like that. So next we have paint set. Paint set. The function of paint set is to painting on sketch something like that. You can also it have the same function with crayons, but the difference is crayons is using on drawing, but we paint set is using for painting. So next we have notebook. Notebook. Okay, the function of notebook is to write down everything you want to. The function of notebook is to write down everything you want to write. Different from the book. So what is the difference between them? So book, it can be something that already write on it. So notebook, it's like an empty book that you have to write it first. Book, it can be book, like you already need to just read it, study it, or something like that. But different with notebook, you have to write it first. Okay, next we have clock. Clock. So the function of clocks is to see the movement of time. So you could knowing what time is now or what the time is. We're gonna go somewhere or something like that. Next we have calendar. So the function of calendar is to find out the date of month and also the year. So it's so different between clock and calendar, of course, because calendar is showing us the date, the month, and the year of nowadays. Okay, next we have calculator. Okay, what is calculator? Calculator function is to calculate different kinds of algebra and figure out how to solve them. It means you have to, the calculator is used for counting or something like that. Okay, that's calculator. So last is school. Okay, school. Maybe you already know what the function of school. Schools is a place or somewhere that we can get knowledge and we will be able to study at school. It has a teacher, it has a students, have a friends, and something like that. So that's all. That's the function of stationery that I have. So thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.